6-year-old unit, customers wondering if they need a tune-up. The answer is yes.
This is why you want to do a furnace tune-up. At this particular house, we ended up finding several different gas leaks that were costing the customer a fortune. Their filter system was not the greatest, which had caused their unit to get dirty.
This is why you don't buy from a company that cuts corners. This gas shutoff is ridiculously old, even impossible for me to turn. Good luck for the average homeowner. This flex should have been replaced. The flue is just taped together. And then as you look down at the filter, it doesn't extend all the way out to the furnace. So it's a 20 by 20 filter. They've put 2-inch filters in it, which are these. And because of that, they're actually blocking a good amount of the airflow. And I don't know if they ever recommended a return into this basement, but you can see as we walk around the basement, there is no return. This is why they didn't do this work. They left that shutoff in that's as old as the house when they did the new gas line to prevent themselves from having to cut this apart at a union and then unthread that little piece that got cut apart so that you can put all of this back together, because this is a significant amount of work for a gas leak. Where the gas leak was, the largest one where you could hear it coming out of the line, was incredibly loose. He's already gotten almost 2 full turns, and he doesn't show any signs of stopping. But then again, Jose is way stronger than the average person. I would say that was 3 full turns at least. You can see now, you can't even see the threads that were sticking out and everything else. All of the seal tight on it that they had tried to use unsuccessfully. And then you can see none of the others actually had seal tight on them. So these can pick up the chemicals off of the glue. So we're gonna stay a little bit away just to make sure, but we have now solved all of the leaks. You remember this was screaming as it came right through here, and you aren't even picking up the chemicals. It was screaming as it went to both sides of the shutoff. Now you have nothing.
We're doing the combustion analysis, and our stack temp was a little bit high, 367. Our O2 is a little bit low, but our gas pressure is at 3.73, which is a little bit high, so I'm going to adjust that and see what happens to our stack temp.
So these are the readings. Your O2's at 7.2, your CO's at 50, your efficiency's at 81, your stack temp's 375, CO2 7.7, then we'll scroll down. So your excess air is at 46.3, and then your CO is at 78. That's just your air-free CO versus your CO.
Their outdoor condenser was completely and totally plugged, which was costing them a huge amount of money and shortening the life of their unit.
You can see how much dirt is spilling off of this air conditioner. Trails of dirt. You can see how easy it just washes off because it all just came off the air conditioner.
Overall, for when you look at what they paid for this tune-up versus what it's going to end up saving them, they will save far more than what they spent just in the first, year of operation. And that's including fixing the gas leaks and everything else, which makes them far safer.